What is that?
M8.
Hey, where does it go to?
Grand Central.
Yeah, buddy. Good job, brother.
Thank you.
August 12, 2014. M8 to Grand Central. It's about to bypass, I don't know. Oh, it's about to bypass Melrose. He's got to light up the light. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, there comes the train, dude. Hey, they're coming fast.
Oh wow.
It's coming really fast.
M8.
M8 to Connecticut. Northbound, it's approaching.
Where at in Connecticut?
It's about to bypass Melrose. Whoa! That's a high-speed M8 right there. So far, so good. I got that thing right there, man.
Yeah, that
Today's
M8
August 12,
but the last
2014.
time that M8 was slow.